Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, February 6th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to tell you why I like silver right now. But before I get started, this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, working full-time for myself since 2018. And I enjoy helping others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with all that being said, somebody reached out to me and asked me why I liked silver, specifically right now. So I wrote down a few points and I thought I would just share. I thought it'd be a good video. And of course, you can let me know why you like silver, if you like silver, down in the comments. So point number one, it's affordable compared to gold. All right, so more people can participate. When I checked the silver and gold prices this morning, silver was at $77.40 and gold was at $69.50. So, you know, when you compare the two, silver is a lot more affordable and affordable for most people, okay? I mean, you can buy fractional silver that costs, you know, 15, 20 bucks. So it's affordable, all right? Gold, not many people can afford a 1 ounce gold coin that's just under 5,000 bucks, right? But people can afford a silver coin that's right around $80 with the premiums and stuff. So I like that. You know, I like the fact that it's affordable for everybody, which gives everybody a chance to stack something that has real value. Point number two is silver is actually used every day in technology and energy. All right, it's used in so many different applications. But if we didn't have silver, we wouldn't have, you know, the wiring in our homes that provide electricity. We wouldn't have our cell phones. We wouldn't have our desktops and laptops and tablets. We wouldn't have the electronics that we have, the video game systems and all that. So it's that's an important thing, you know, to have our electronics, right? I mean, I know some people aren't fans of it, but I know for me, if I didn't have my cell phone or a computer, I wouldn't be doing my online stuff. I wouldn't be doing videos like this, right? So that's point number two. Point number three is you can physically hold it, all right? And to me, personally, that gives me a peace of mind knowing that I have something tangible in my hand that has real value. All right? I just love the fact that, you know, it's a physical, tangible asset. Number four, it's been money for thousands of years. Before paper currency, before our fiat currency ever was dreamt of, people have been using silver and gold as a currency, right? It's the original currency. That's why we call it God's money. All right, it comes from Earth, and it's recognized all over the world. It doesn't matter what part of the world you go to, everybody recognizes silver and gold as a form of currency. Now, not everybody takes it as payment. You know, like here in the United States, we don't have any places yet that I'm aware of. I know that actually this year, there's going to be some states that accept silver and gold as currency. And I think you can use gold backs in some places too. But generally speaking, you can't go into Walmart and pay for your you know, whatever it is that you're buying with gold and silver yet, right? But before we were taking off the gold standard, I mean, gold and silver were recognized as a form of currency. So I love the fact that we call it God's money and that it's been used for thousands of years as a currency. Point number five, it tends to move fast when the demand picks up. Okay, now we were up to $120+ here just over a week ago, and we have seen it crash. From what I know, the second largest crash after the 1980s crash. So we're down in the 70s again, but I don't worry about that because I know that the crash hasn't changed the demand, right? The demand for silver is still there. So, which brings me to point number six, is that there's only so much silver available, right? It's a consumable product in a lot of cases. Like when you put it in wiring into a home or electronics, or in the medical industry or water purification systems, you know, there's only so much of it. There's a finite supply of it. And you know, the demand for it just increases more and more every day, with the AI data centers being built, the electric vehicles, solar panels, the medical industry, all the medical equipment. It's used in different care products in the medical industry. We have it, like we said, in all of our electronics. I mean, the list of things that silver is used in goes on and on. So the demand for it's higher than ever. We have a finite supply of it. That's why I don't worry about the price of it right now. When I see it dip back or have a real crash like we just had, I'm looking at that as an opportunity to stack more silver at a discount, okay? Because there's all kinds of market manipulation and different things going on that caused this crash. And I really believe that, we're going to see it continue to go up. It's going to be on an upward trend like it has been since the beginning, really. So I'm not worried about that at all. But those are the reasons why I like silver. I love the fact that it's a hedge against inflation. It protects my purchasing power. And it's just going to continue to go up in value, in my opinion. I'm not a silver expert or financial advisor or anything like that. Do your own due diligence. But those are the reasons that I like silver. And I like silver so much that I'm part of a company where we give people a free silver bar just for taking a look at us, okay? You can set up an auto wealth delivery where you can have silver sent to your door on autopilot every single month. And then if you want to become a wealth ambassador like I am, you can earn up to 7 different ways by sharing the company and opportunity with other people. There's no guarantee you'll make any money if you join me. It's totally dependent on your work ethic, but it is a really cool company in my opinion. So you can go to freesilverbar.com and check that out. Get a free silver bar sent to your house. You just pay a nominal shipping fee. And yeah, so reach out to me if you have any questions. Let me know down in the comments why you like or dislike silver. And that's it for this video. So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.